Hey guys, I'm gonna open up the World Series box. Includes a signature player pack. There it is down there. Oh, let's go, man. Let's go. Hope for a good sig. Oh, 53. Ooh, Juan Soto. Nice. Oh, okay. Let's do this and then the grade increase. Oh, diamond. Let's go. Who is this? Ooh, good stats. Okay. It's Chris Bassett. Okay, he's a good pitcher. Ooh, pretty good stats. Alright. Dodgers. Let's just go with the Dodgers because they're good. Come on. Miguel Rojas. Okay, hopefully we can get a diamond Dodger. Gold. Okay, silver. Okay, this is old. I think this is... Okay, I know who this is. Yep. Let's use this. Ugh. Let's use it on Cole. Use it on my Boom. Cole Cal Boom. Oh, okay. Ugh, I minused it. But I wish I could open it. Well, it's time. It's time. Signature. Sig. It's a gold sig. No, it's a pitcher. I don't like pictures. You kidding me? I knew he was going to be a pitcher. I hate pitchers. I don't have any. I already have pretty good pitchers. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. This is the worst. This is the worst. I can't talk right now. I just can't talk. I am really disappointed. I'm disappointed with that pull. Very disappointed. Very disappointed. Pick the Dodgers, I guess. Oh, yay. Yay. Okay. Oh, Mookie. Duh. Not stupid. Ooh, Mookie. Ooh, look at those stats. Let's go. Let's go, bets. Pick them. Can we buy something? Probably not. Okay. I'm gonna check my friend's team because he said he got the sig too. This is his team. Who did he get? Or has he put him on his team yet? Okay, I don't think he put it on his team. Okay, it's alright. I mean, let's just put him on our team. I mean, he'll probably be pretty good. He'll probably have nasty stuff. Oh, let's also put Bassett in. Bassett for sure. Is that good? I guess that'll do. I was hoping for a hitter. And, I mean, come on, man. At least my team is good as my brother's. Cause yeah. Let's purchase this free pack. The daily pack is not good. Okay, bad. Okay, I'll combo somebody. How about that? I haven't done that yet. I guess I'll do these. No, dang it. Okay. No. I'm not using that for free. Bad. Ooh, Zach Greinke. Should I combo him? Yeah, let's just do it. I don't care. I'm not gonna get... Oh, what? How? a 50 and a 53 and a 71. Who do I want? Maybe Ryan Braun. What is he? Oh, that's the guy who I just got for my SIG. So, I don't know what I can do with that. Okay. This is cheap. So, what? Oh, see you guys later. Bye. That was bad. I mean, it's not bad, but it was alright.